Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm actually going to be doing, as you can tell, an unboxing video. So I got a rather large box in the mail just now. That is because there are 3 planes in here, and when there's 3 planes in here I tend to do an unboxing, but in this box there is one of the May releases and 2 of the releases before that. Because I live in the UK, things do come a bit slow to me, so yeah, that's why this is a little bit late for these planes. A lot of you probably already have these if you ordered them, but yeah, I have ordered some planes of the new releases. So I have my knife. It's very weird opening this size of a box because usually they're tiny, but yeah, I have 3 planes in this one, which I'm quite excited about. Okay, so the first plane is the Air Canada 737 MAX 8. The second plane is the American 737 MAX 8, and then the third, sadly, it isn't a MAX, so it's not a triple MAX unboxing, but it's a United ERJ 175. I'll do the not MAX one first, so I'll open this. Hopefully I don't scratch the box when I'm cutting it open. Okay, so this is only a brief unboxing, but this is the United ERJ 175. I flew on this from Washington Dulles to Atlanta and back again. It's a very nice plane to fly on. But yeah, this is it. I'll get up and close in a minute, but this goes very well with the United ERJ 170s that came out. I actually have 2 of them lying around somewhere. I might actually find them to put, next to it. Okay, so here we have the 2 different models. So on the right we have the ERJ 170, and on the left we have the ERJ 175. So there are a few differences. So the first one is length, this one is a tad bit longer, and the second one, probably the more noticeable one, is the winglets. These kind of are bent a bit more, and this isn't, but apart from that, looks wise there isn't much difference. Yeah, of course I got both of these. I actually got 2 of these and 1 of these. That's because I have a United based airport. But yeah, this plane is very nice. So I'm going to start on the boarding side. So if you don't know, passengers board from this side, cargo boards from this side. So we have the front door there, the first door, cabin door, whatever you want to call it. Windshield there, United Express. As you know, I am trying to build up my United Express fleet. Then we have the windows. Okay, so then we have the rear door at the back there, winglets, as I said. Engines, very small, just like on the real plane. Then we have the tail and wing tails. And moving around to the other side, pretty much the same. We just have a non-boarding door, and we should have cargo doors. On the bottom we have the Gemini Jet stand, whole thing there for that. They do look very similar on the bottom as well, with all the detail. But yeah, there's not much else to say for that. And here we have the American 737 MAX, so I'm just going to open this. I also got the WOW Air A321, even though it's not a new release. I got that for Baltimore. And here we have it. This is my second 737 MAX. So this is the American 737 MAX in the new livery. So my first 737 MAX was the Southwest one. It feels, there's no, apart from the front wheel, which does seem a bit too big, There doesn't seem to be any what do you call it, problems with this model. It looks very nice. As you know, again, like the United Express plane, I am trying to build up my American fleet for Reagan. So yeah, I hope to get a few, like I'm pretty much going to go on a spree soon of American planes where I get about, I'm thinking about getting like, I don't know, 5 A320s and ERJs and CRJs, things like that. But yeah, this plane looks very nice, and the final plane, which is the plane I'm looking forward to the most, is the Air Canada 737 MAX. And here we have it, the Air Canada 737 MAX. I really am starting to grow on the Air Canada livery. This is now my third Air Canada new livery plane. I have the A321 and CRJ 900. Yeah, just like the American 737 MAX 8, there isn't any, you know, problems with the model. Looks very nice. So yeah, as the 737 MAXs are the same, I'm just going to go through one of them instead of both of them. So here we have the boarding door. Then we have the Air Canada logo, where the American logo will be. We have the Canadian little emblem there. Emergency exits, overwing exits. We have the split scimitars. I believe they're still called that on the Max, even though they're not the same shape. Then we have the engines with the, I don't know what you call them, hashes, I guess you could say, at the end. Then we have registration, Wi-Fi box, I believe that is at the top, some various aerials, and then that says Boeing 737 MAX 8s down there. We have another door, the tail. Then on the other side, exactly the same, just we have the non-boarding door. So that is the MAX 8. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. So yeah, if you want regular BWI updates, which is the airport I'm creating at the moment, follow my Instagram, which is in the description and will be in the top comment if I can remember. So yeah, tell me if you got any of these planes yourselves, or if you got any of the other new releases. Well, new releases for last month and the month before. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.